Hello and welcome to today's Aussie Results Update. Casey Dellacqua will be on the sidelines for the next 6 months after suffering another injury setback. Dellacqua underwent surgery last week to remove a bone in her right foot. She's expected to miss between 6 and 9 months. Writing on her website, Dellacqua says, "I'm really determined to get my body right before I come back this time. I'll be fine, but I'm not going to rush it. I just want to get it right." Jarmila Groth has powered her way into the second round of the Rogers Cup. Groth won a close first set tiebreak against Ilona Bondarenko before powering away to win in straight sets. Next up, she'll face 9th seed Lleyton in the second round. Lee too has reached the final of an ITF Junior event in Munich. The South Australian entity's 5-week stint in Europe on a high with victory over the top seed in the semi-finals. Two also teamed with Tanasi Kokonakis to take out the doubles title at the Category 1 event. Coming up, Lleyton Hewitt will take to the court in Cincinnati after recovering from a calf injury. Hewitt faces Chinese Taipei's Yen Sun Lu in the first round. On the Challenger circuit, Sam Groth faces the top seed in Uzbekistan, while Matt Ebden plays a qualifier in Brazil. We've got 9 Aussies in action on the Futures circuit this week. Western Australian Jordan Pendenko won through qualifying to reach the main draw in Spain. In Austria, James Lemke is the top seed and Colin Ebelthite is the number 3 seed. Clinton Thompson plays a qualifier in Belgium, Joel Linder hits the courts in Poland, and Dane Popodja is in action in Japan. That's it for today. Stay tuned to tennis.com.au for all the latest Aussie results from around the world.